Those realizing the Dogelon Mars cost forecast interest you? For the vast majority, the response to this question will be yes. Since Dogelon Mars, in the same way as other image tokens, has acquired a ton of ubiquity among crypto holders in the beyond couple of months. With such a spike in its interest, individuals want to find out whether they will be a tycoon by putting a couple of dollars in such Dogelon Mars Elon or not. The history of meme coins are digital forms of money aligned with specific subjects, frequently humor and fun, as opposed to specialized items and administrations. It tends to be from a web image or some tomfoolery character. Dogelon Mars Elon coin are neither focused on innovation nor without any trace of essentials. Image coins don't serve certifiable use and have no reasonable utility like other digital forms of money. Dogelon token is centered around networks and is local area driven. These are described by low worth and high flow. A large portion of the Dogelon Mars Elon are esteemed at a couple of pennies or a small part of pennies. In view of the most recent information, around 124 image coins are available for use. Dogelon Mars Elon appeared from 2013 onwards. The very first image coin was named dogecoin. It is a cryptographic money with the topic Doge image. Kobosu K9 in Japan is the motivation behind the Doge image. It was made as fun against genuine cryptographic forms of money, however the prevalence of Dogelon Mars Elon has ultimately expanded. Dogecoin, Doge, Shiba Inu, SHIB, are the most well-known among image coins and give fierce opposition to the crypto market. Dogecoin innovation was gotten from Litecoin, and SHIB is based on the blockchain of Ethereum. Dogecoin has 100 billion tokens available for use, and SHIB token has around 1 quadrillion tokens. There could be no legitimate consuming timetable and component for Dogelon Mars Elon, so for $1, you can buy a great many Dogelon Mars Elon. Behind the historical backdrop of Dogelon Mars Elon, a Shiba Inu canine was included in an image. The verifiable information uncovers the name of the canine is Kobosu. The discussion was loaded with linguistic and spelling blunders, which had in the long run become viral via virtual entertainment, and later it turned into the top image of the year. The word canine was incorrectly spelled as Doge while it was float on the web. Afterward, two computer programmers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer made the dogecoin to jab the extreme other crypto tokens available for use. Dogecoin was planned as a shared cryptographic money to interest more extensive demography than Bitcoin. It had sent off at a $0.00026 token worth, however the exchanges were executed past assumption. Consequently, the cost of Dogecoin soared and afterwards stopped at $0.00095 in 72 hours or less. The value development of Dogecoin is somewhat insane and profoundly unstable. Subsequently, insightful financial backers took advantage of the unpredictability to become well off temporarily. Today, it has become one of the top esteemed tokens worldwide, spiked colossally in the ongoing year, and has moved to 9th position. Whenever the ubiquity of such tokens expanded, many organizations concocted image coins. A few nations even made a move against image coin course. In July 2021, Thailand restricted the dissemination of Dogelon Mars Elon coins due to its insecurity and chance. Dogelon Mars The road ahead. Latest news reports out from the cryptographic money market manifest earlier year as well as 2022 may be a great time for Dogelon Mars Elon tokens. Dogecoin and Dogelon Mars have thrived for the current year. After the exploded of Dogecoin, it was an obvious indicator that the digital money market is generally tolerating Dogelon Mars coin. Individuals began financial planning. Later, Shiba Inu went into the 10 greatest cryptographic money list. From that point onward, market saw a development in the posting of Floki Inu, Safe Mars, Dogelon Mars, Akita Inu, Samoyed Coin Samu, Kishu Inu, Kishu. A large portion of them have a similar example, yet they are from various networks. Squid Game, Squid, is a token made that is motivated by the Netflix show Squid Game. It flooded in one day, and some other time when the designers had the carpet pulled the following day, costs plunged to close to 100%. Crypto holders who hold Squid couldn't sell the token. Such a circumstance can occur whenever. The insane reality about Dogelon Mars Elon tokens is that financial backers have a great deal of trust in the symbolic's worth since it has been put at a shallow worth. Subsequently, a large portion of the crypto holders are misdirected by the Dogelon Mars value that later on it will hit a $1 maximum capacity is still left, or they expect that this coin will likewise impact one day. Normally, individuals begin buying this sort of coin out of impulses and likes. This makes a surprising knock and dumps in the worth of the equivalent. The group conduct animated by an impetus in the market pushes the coin to spike. This may not occur with each coin. Some of them will go on with the exchanging esteem on the early stage, or it sent off cost for a long span without anybody seeing it and without making publicity on the social stages. This year, Shiba Inu surpassed the exchanged volume of dogecoin. Elon Musk as of late tweeted a Chinese sonnet, and individuals began deciphering that tweet, alluding to Shiba Inu versus dogecoin crypto spat. This made another shockwave in virtual entertainment. Merchants who were inexperienced with Dogelon Mars Elon tokens likewise began buying them. Such online entertainment builds-up can't be anticipated without fail. It is much more flighty than the unpredictability of the business sectors. Crypto holders can't expect every image coin will have long-haul acquiring potential. Mars technical analysis. The flightiness of Dogelon Mars Elon cost is higher, contrasted with different coins of the digital money market. Henceforth, giving a precise Dogelon Mars price gauge is very troublesome. Authentic information of Elon cost shows the section Dogelon Mars cost was around $0.00000078. Soon after posting, the Elon cost has moved to $0.00000041. However, later after a sell Dogelon Mars sign, it has taken help at $0.00000015. In May 2021, the Dogelon Mars cost was raised to an end cost of $0.00000022. Dogelon Mars Elon cost beat the cost forecasts and began climbing toward the finish of September 2021. Continuously 7-day stretch of October 2021, the Dogelon Mars Elon cost had arrived at in excess of multiple times what it had begun the principal day of the month. Similar to our forecast, Dogelon Mars has given a decent return. The ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars Elon is around $0.00001438. The Dogelon Mars cost today is exchanging around $0.0000093666, with an absolute market capitalization of $517,883,857.41. The coursing supply is 552,955,726,479,823 Elon, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,185,541.01. Dogelon Mars specialized investigation shows that the Elon cost began expanding from October 1, 2021, going on until October 31, 2021. Up excursion of Dogelon Mars cost began at $0.00000056 and wound up at $0.00000267, which was the greatest cost of the token. 29th, 30th, 31st October 2021 has framed the most noteworthy light with the gigantic backing of volume. In something like 3 days, Elon cost has moved from $0.00000771 to $0.00000267, upheld by tremendous volume. In no less than a month, a modest bunch returned for the people who have Dogelon Mars in their portfolio. Then bears began pulling back the Elon cost, which made a dive to $0.0000012113. As of now, slight recuperation is seen in the cost of the coin, which might prompt positive patterns soon. Elon cost took support at $0.000009. The ongoing cost is gradually bobbing from this level. However, on the off chance that Dogelon Mars cost today neglect to keep force in current move, it is normal to take the following help at $0.000008. Any fall beneath this will be a sell Dogelon Mars signal, and most help levels put at $0.000006. The significant help is put at $0.000005. On the upper side, the closest opposition is put at $0.000011. Elon value needs to break the level to test $0.000012. As per our examination and estimate, if Dogelon Mars Elon can cross the obstruction level, forceful dealers can purchase Dogelon Mars and hold it till it tests its significant opposition at $0.000014. As per our special